Drinking water, there is a limited supply and requires a large amount of electricity to access drinking water. The answer, the MECREGEN, a renewable energy system, configured as the MECREGEN Renewable Generator. The generator provides the electricity needed to access water from the air. There is a machine called the atmospheric water generator, which uses technology to produce potable water from the surrounding air. The only problem is it requires a large amount of electricity. The MECREGEN Renewable Generator will provide that electricity at no cost. The benefits are unlimited water, clean drinking water, and water from any location. The atmospheric water generator powered by the MECREGEN Renewable Generator is the world's solution for clean drinking water. For more information, check out www.mecregen.com or YouTube at MECREGEN.